Find your dream home and experience the magic of Italy. Your journey starts here with Houses in Piedmont Real Estate. Subscribe to our channel to discover our newest properties and stunning homes across Piedmont. It's completely free, and your support really helps us grow. Imagine a life cradled in the gentle hills of Piedmont's Langhe, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is Clavesana, an authentic medieval village, famous for its vineyards, castles, and rich culinary traditions. It's a place where nature, history, and the slow, good life converge. And here, perched in this landscape, we present a stunning panoramic rustic house. Completely restored with stone and brick, it features 2 independent units, perfect for family or guests. But its true magic lies outside. A vast private garden and a hazelnut grove surround you, leading to a balcony with a view that will steal your heart. Your gaze sweeps across the Tanaro Valley and soars to the majestic Alpine Arc, with the iconic Monviso dominating the horizon. It's not just a house, it's a front row seat to forever. Ready to turn this view into your everyday life? Your Langhe dream is waiting. Visit housesinpiedmont.com for more. Discover your Italian dream. Houses in Piedmont Real Estate.